In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva's video feature to generate subtitles all for free. This is an automatic and free subtitle generation, and you don't need to pay extra on your app to use this. This feature is comparable to all the big name brands like Descript, CapCut. I think this is a very powerful tool for anybody creating videos. So let me show you how. First, go into YouTube video and then go to upload and find the video that you want to upload. Now that you've uploaded the video, you can click on the video and go into text. Once you're hovering over text or in the text area, you'll see a feature called caption. All you need to do is press here and select suitable videos. I only have one here, so it only shows one. Select it and go generate caption. And it will automatically generate subtitles for you. And if you want to edit anything, just go into captions here and you will see all the subtitle lines here for you to edit. You can proofread it here and make sure whatever you're saying matches the text here. And the coolest part is you can also add animation to it. So now that you have captions, there will be features here. There'll be animations here just for your captions. You can do a reveal, you can do highlighting, and you can do snake, which underlines your words. And when you click on it, you can adjust the intensity of how dark or how light you want your words to show up. And when you're done that, you can also come in here and select effect. Right now there's a background and you can remove it. You can even change the colors of your text and you can change different fonts. You can also do effects in here where you outline your text or you put some sort of shadow behind it. The customization for the subtitles are endless, and it is so cool to see this included in Canva. I used to have to pay for this on a different platform, and costs really rack up. And this is another reason why Canva's video editor is so much better now, and it is one of my go-to video editors. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check my Canva playlist for other videos related to Canva. See you in the next one.